Cells and simple circuits. Simple electric circuits. Observe the dry cell, the switch, and the bulb. What happens to the bulb? Simple electric circuit. Observation. Once the circuit is complete with items or components in place, the bulb light does not flow in an incomplete circuit connecting a circuit. In connecting a circuit, it is advisable to arrange the components according to the circuit diagram given, then connect a wire at one point and proceed in one direction till the loop is completed. This procedure is illustrated in the animation below.
The function of a cell is to maintain a continuous flow of charge around the circuit by providing electrical energy.
In the following animation, the moving arrow represents the flow of electric current in parallel and series circuits. What do you notice as the main difference between parallel and series circuits? Identify one difference in the flow of current between the parallel and series circuits. Parallel circuit. A wire carrying a current is branched into two or more parts. That is, there are current junctions in the circuit. This is comparable to road junctions. In this case, current divides into smaller parts to flow through the branch paths. These paths recombine as they pass through the source, and the process continues in series socket. The same current flows through all the points in a socket without dividing electric currents. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of charge. Its conventional symbol is I. Current is measured in amperes, conventionally represented by the amount of current can be calculated from current equals to charge, flowing over time taken, that is, I equals to Q over T. The SI unit of charge is the coulomb. C.